Hello, hi, Namaskar. Welcome to a new session. In this session, we will be discussing about Class 8 Geography Chapter 2, and the topic is land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife resources. So, let's start the session very quickly. And the first question of today's session, that is 90% of the world population occupies only dash percent of land area. 90% of the world population occupies only dash percent of land area, and the options of the question number 1, 30%, option B 40%, option C 50%, and option D, that is 35%. And the correct answer for the question number 1, that is 90% of the world population occupies only 30% of the land area. Okay, next question, question number 2. And the question number 2 asking you that the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called what? The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called what? And the options of the question number 2, option A, earth surface, option B, soil, option C, wind, and option D, that is air. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called what? And the correct answer for the question number 2, that is option B, soil. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Okay, next question, question number 3. And the question number 3 asking you that dash are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. Dash are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. And the options of the question number 3, that is option A, soil, option B, landslide, option C, weathering, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 3, that is landslide, are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. Okay, next question, question number 4. And the question number 4 asking you that it takes hundred of years to make just dash centimeter soil. It takes hundred of years to make just dash centimeter soil. And the options of the question number 4, option A, 1 centimeter soil, option B, 2 centimeter soil, option C, 3 centimeter soil, and option D, that is 4 centimeter soil. It takes hundred of years to make just dash centimeter soil. And the correct answer for the question number 4, that is it takes hundred of years to make just 1 centimeter soil. Okay, next question, question number 5. And the question number 5 asking you that question number 5, and the question number 5 asking you that the bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw is known as what? The bare ground between plant is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw is known as what? And the options of the question number 5, option A, mulching, option B, contour barriers, option C, rock jam, and option D, that is intercropping. And the correct answer for the question number 5, that is the bare ground between plant is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw is known as mulching. Okay, next question, question number 6. And the question number 6 asking you that fresh water accounts for only about dash percent. Fresh water accounts for only about dash percent. And the options are for the question number 6, option A 71%, option B 0.3%, option C 2.7%, and option D, that is 3%. Fresh water accounts for only about dash percent. And the correct answer for the question number 6, that is the fresh water accounts for only about 2.7%. Okay, next question, question number 7. And the question number 7 asking you that a dripping taps waste dash liters of water in a way. A dripping taps waste dash liter of water in a way in a year. And the options of the question number 7, that is option A 1200 liters of water, option B 1100 liters of water, option C 1300 liters of water, and option D, that is 2000 liters of water anywhere in a year. And the question asking you that a dripping taps waste how much liters of water in a year. And the correct answer for the question number 7, that is it is waste about 1200 water in a year. Okay, next question, question number 7. And the question number 7 asking you that Amreli city, which was famous for water market, situated in which state? Amreli city, which was famous for water market, situated in which state? And the options are for the question number 8, that is Gujarat, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Maharashtra, and option D, that is Rajasthan. And the correct answer for the question number 8, that is option A, Gujarat. Amreli city, which was in Saurashtra district of Gujarat, which was famous for water market, which is situated in Gujarat. Okay, next question, question number 9. And the question number 9 asking you that which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? And the options are for the question number 9, that is option A, time, option B, soil texture, option C, organic matter, and the option D, that is none of the above. Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? And the correct answer for the question number 9, that is organic matter is never be a factor of soil formation. Okay, next question, question number 10. And the question number 10 asking you that which one of the following methods is most appropriate to check soil erosion on steep slope? Which one of the following methods is most appropriate to check soil erosion on steep slopes? And the options are for the question number 10, that is shelter belt, option B, mulching, option C, terrace cultivation, and option D, that is none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 10, that is terrace cultivation, is one of the following method is most appropriate to check soil erosion on steep slopes. Okay, next question, question number 11. And the question number 11 asking you that which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? And the options are for the question number 11. Option A, switch off the bulb when not in use. Option B, close the tap immediately after using. And option C, that is dispose polypacks after shopping. Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? And the correct answer for the question number 11, that is dispose of polypacks after shopping, is not in favor of the conservation of nature. Okay, next question, question number 12. And the question number 12 asking you that Tanzania situated in which continent? Tanzania situated in which continent? And the options are for the question number 12, that is option A, Europe, option B, Asia, option C, Africa, and option D, that is South America. Tanzania situated in which continent? And the correct answer for the question number 12, that is Africa. Okay, next question, question number 13. And the question number 13 asking you that the uneven distribution of population in the world is due to what? The uneven distribution of population in the world is due to what? And the options are for the question number 13, that is climate, option B, land and climate, option C, both A and B, and option D, that is none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 13, that is option B, land and climate, is the region behind the uneven distribution of population in the world. Okay, next question, question number 14. And the question number 14 asking you that the example of common property resources is what? The example of common property resource is example of what? And the options are for the question number 14, that is option A, community land, option B, individual building, option C, both A and B, and option D, that is none of the above. Which is the example of common property resource? And the correct answer for the question number 14, that is community building, is an example of common property resource. Okay, next question, question number 15. And the question number 15 asking you that which of the following determine the use of land? Which of the following determine the use of land? And the options are for the question number 15, that is soil and topography, option B, climate and vegetation, option C, availability of water, option D, that is all of these. Which of the following determine the use of land? And the correct answer for the question number 15, that is all of these: soil and topography, climate and vegetation, availability of water. These are the determined factor of use of land. Okay. Next question, question number 16. And the question number 16 asking you that Australia uses its largest portion of its area for what? Australia uses its largest portion of its area for what kind of purpose? And the options are for the question number 16, that is pastures, option B, cropland, option C, forest, and option D, that is other uses. And the correct answer for the question number 16, that is Australia uses its largest portion of its area for pastures. Okay. Next question, question number 17. And the question number 17 asking you that the lower joined layer of the soil is known as what? And the options are for the question number 17, that is weathered rock, option B, parent rock, option C, subsoil, and option D, that is none of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 17, that is option B, parent rock. Okay, next question number 18. And the question number 18 asking you that which of the following is used for soil conservation? Which of the following is used for soil conservation? And the options are for the question number 18, that is mulching, option B, shelter belt, option C, counter plugging, and option D, that is all of the above. Which of the following is used for soil conservation? And the correct answer for the question number 18, that is contour plugging used for the soil conservation. Okay, next question number 19. And the question number 19 asking you that which is not an example of groundwater? Which is not an example of groundwater? And the options are for the question number 19, that is water flowing in rivers, option B, water through wells, option C, water through hand pumps, and option D, that is water through some submersible pumps. And the correct answer for the question number 19, that is water flowing in rivers is not an example of groundwater. Okay, next question number 20. And the question number 20 asking you that which of the following is a famous bird sanctuary? Which of the following is a famous bird sanctuary? And the options are for the question number 19, Kaziranga National Park, option B, Tiger Park at Dudhwa, option C, Gir Forest, and option D, that is Bharatpur Sanctuary. Which of the following is a famous bird sanctuary? Okay, you can using the method of option eliminating to answer the question. Tiger never, the question asking that bird sanctuary and this written about tiger. So option B is not in the list. Option A, option C, and option D. And the correct answer for the question number 19, that is Bharatpur Sanctuary, which was situated in Rajasthan. Okay, which was situated in Rajasthan, is the famous bird sanctuary. Okay, next question number 20. And the question number 20 asking you that the use of land is determined by which factor? Factors such as topography, soil and climate, mineral, and all of the above. The use of land is determined by factors such as topography, soil, climate, mineral, and all of the above. And the correct answer for the question number 20, that is topography, soil, climate, minerals, all of the above. Use of land is determined by this kind of factors. Okay, next question number 21. And the question number 21 asking you that the major vegetation types of the world are grouped as forest, grassland, tundra, and what? The major vegetation types of the world are grouped as forest, grassland, tundra, and what? And the options are for the question number 21, that is shrubs, herbs, crops, and trees. And the correct answer for the question number 21, that is the major vegetation type of the world are grouped as forest, grassland, tundra, and scrubs. Okay, next question number 22. And the question number 22 asking you that common property also known as what? Common property also known as what? And the options are for the question number 22, individual land, option B, agricultural land, option C, community land, and option D, that is private land. Common property also known as what? And the correct answer for the question number 22, that is common property also known as community land. Okay, next question number 23. And the question number 23 asking you that if one Mahotsav is celebrated to create awareness about what? One Mahotsav is celebrated to create awareness about what? And the options are for the question number 23. Option A, conservation of forest, option B, conservation of minerals, option C, recycling of water, and option D, that is preserving historical monuments. What is the reason behind to celebrate the awareness campaign like just Bon Mahotsav? And the correct answer for the question number 23, you can easily written here, that is bon. Bon means forest or tree. And the correct answer for the question number 23, that is conservation of forest is celebrated for Bon Mahotsav is celebrated to conserve the forest. And many every year this was a week was celebrated, was our among the peoples that to conserve of forest. Okay, in regarding the Bon Mahotsav campaign. Okay, next question number 24. And the question number 24 asking you that what is the percentage of usable water for human, or question asking you that what is the percent of water human consume. Okay, next question number 20, question options for the question number 24. Option A, 97%, option B, 12%, option C, 1%, and option D, that is 10%. How much percentage of water consumed by the human beings? And the correct answer for the question number 24, that is option C, only 1% of water consumed by the human beings, which is available throughout the earth surface. Okay, next question number 25, and the question number 25 asking you that total earth surface cover with water is about how much percentage? One fourth, two third, three fourth, and one fourth. And the correct answer for the question number 25, that is 3/4. Okay, next question number 20, question number 26 asking you that which of the following factors influence the types and distribution of natural vegetation? And the options are for the question number 26: landforms, soil, climate, and all of the above. Which of the following factors influence the types and distribution of natural vegetation? And the correct answer for the question number 26, that is landform, soil, climate. These all the above options are factors influence the types and distribution of natural vegetation. Okay, next question number. Okay, question number 28 asking you that which of the following natural vegetation is most predominant in India? Which of the following natural vegetation is most predominant in India? And the options are for the question number 28, that is tropical deciduous forest, option B alpine forest, option C thorny forest, and option D, that is mangrove forest. And the correct answer for the question number 28, that is the tropical deciduous forest is the most predominant natural vegetation is available in India. Okay, next question number 29, and the last question of today's session, that is which of the following physical feature is best suited for living? Which of the following physical feature is best suited for living? And the options are for the question number 29, that is plains and river valley, option B desert, option C mountain, and option D, that is lakes and rivers. And the correct answer for the question number 29, that is plains and river valley is the most suited physical feature in India is for living. Okay, this is all about today's session. I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.